Good day, good day. Greetings from Benny. Um, you are actually welcome to another video session. Yes, and in this video, I want to teach you how to design an Instagram post flyer. Okay, what we normally call carousel. All right, I'm going to teach you how to design a carousel. All right, using Pixel app, and then we can edit with Snapseed, but let's just go with using Pixel app for now. Okay, so I'll dive into my Pixel app application. All right, so this is our Pixel app application. Then we will put the image size. Okay, a normal carousel image size, the width is 1080, then the height is 1350. Okay, so this is it. Now the brief that we are actually going to be using to design is in WhatsApp, so I'll just is it the WhatsApp? Okay, I already have it in my notepad, so I'll just copy it and paste it now. So let's go from there. Okay, this is it. This is the brief we are going to be using for the carousels for each slide. Now we already have a title: everything you continue to meditate on grows. So I'll cut this out, delete this, and then paste it again. Okay, let me recopy this. Everything you continue to meditate on grows. All right, so I have it now. This is the front cover of the carousel. Okay, so let's increase the size. Now I want to pick my font. Made Tommy. Okay, I'm using this MTN fonts. Let me reduce the size of this. All right, so I'm using MTN font. You might not really have this MTN font in your Pixel app. Just use anything that you have. Okay, so let me put the Instagram handle. All right, so I'll reduce the size of this. Okay, then the other thing I'll have is swipe next. Okay, so let's have this. This is our grid line. Like I said, it's more like a ruler. It helps us to position our elements properly, to align them on a straight line. You see? Okay, all right. Now I want to put an image in this design, so I'll just go from here. An image should be okay. Now I have the image I want to use. Now what I'm going to do, you see that the image already has these borders and shapes, and it will affect our design. You can't use something like this. No, it's not proper. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to erase the shapes and the borders of the shape. Okay, so I'll go to my eraser tool. Nope. Eraser. Yes, increase. This is the blur mark. Then this is the eraser pen or erasing pen. So I'll increase the blur radius as well, and I'll clean from here. Okay, now see what I'm doing, trying to erase. Okay, all right, so I've erased it, but I didn't erase it perfectly, but it was because I wanted to use it this way. Okay, let's see. So let me take it to the back. Take it to the back. All right. Okay. All right. So let me do something now. Let's see how it fits into the background that I want to use. I started using a white background now. I want to use a white background. Okay, let's see how purple goes, because the brown color is actually purple, white, and yellow. So let's see how purple actually fits into this. If it does not fit in, we use doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Let me see. Does it make sense as purple? I'm trying to. Okay, let's. I'm just doing something like just trying to see how the picture actually blends with the background. You understand? I think I don't really like it being purple, so let me change the color to white. Then let's come back to this guy and see. Okay. Alright, let's see. So the background now is white. So let's put the colors in the text. Let's put the colors in the text. Everything you continue to meditate on. Continue. Let's make continue purple. Let me have something like this. Then let's look for our handle and then make it black. So bring that ruler again. Alright, so let me make this black or purple. Everything you continue to meditate on. Let's make it white. Things it's not even showing up as purple. Okay, so let me give this a background. Alright. Okay. Then let's radius. Okay. The top to be 2, bottom 2. Alright. That's that. Okay, I think we are done. Let's see. Yeah, I think we are done. I think we are done. I think we are done. Let me have this. Alright. Should I put yellow? Let me see. Yellow somewhere. Alright, so let's save this. Let's save this. Ultra. Okay, let's see. Alright, now we've done this part of the design. So the next thing, I want to go to the other contents inside. So I'll close this too. Then come back to text. And then slide 1. Let me put in slide 1. Okay, this is slide 1. Align to the center. Increase the size a bit. Then change the font to Tommy Medium. Now you see that we've been using Tommy all along, so we just use the typeface so we can have medium, regular, and bold all over our designs. Every challenge looks immovable. Let me. All right, let's add some spacing. Okay, so I want to put some highlights. That's creating contrast with colors now. Creating contrast with colors. So let's have immovable as purple, audacious as purple as well. Okay, all right, so the number, this is slide 1, very big. It should be Tommy bold. So let me have this MTN. Okay, so that is MTN. All right, so I'll reduce the opacity to be faint, something like this. See, but let me make sure that these two are already in the same line. So that in design everything matters. All right, down same line, so it's very faint. Let's reduce it again. All right, 7. Then I'm thinking of adding something like a draw. So let's say draw, reduce the pen size, pen color should be purple. Let me have something like this. Okay, this is good for me. This is okay. This is okay. Let me align this to the center. This is okay for me. All right, so save as image also. Save as image. Then we'll go to slide 2. Go to slide 2. Copy this, paste it. Okay, paste it. All right, so let's go again. We want to highlight some of the colors, so everything should be black. And if you're looking at them, you would always think they are immovable. So let's have this as purple. It should be 2. Make sure you align again. Align again also. Save. So you keep repeating this all over and all over, even until you get to the last one. Keep repeating it. Let's see. Slide 3. So let's have it in black first. The devil will continue to make your challenge real. So let's have real in purple to constantly remind you of everything you are going through. Okay, so let's have devil also in purple. All right, so let's have this in number 3. Okay, make sure this is in the middle. Okay, so let's take number 4. Oh, sorry. Slide 4. And when you sit down to reason, let's have the color black. When you sit down to reason with him, you'll find out that whatever he's saying is true. So I have this as 4. Okay. So let's pick up the next 5. What did I do? Oh God. Okay, I think okay. So number 5. This will have to go. Let me set it to normal. Okay. The devil defeats men at the realm of the senses. So as long as you keep looking at your problem, it would grow. For as long as you keep looking at your problem, it will grow. Okay. All right. So that's number 5. Let's go to number 6. So I have this. Why is not changing? All right. All right. So I have it all in black. Scripture tells us in Proverbs 18:14. Okay. NIV. All right, so change this to 6. Perfect. So we save. Then we'll come again to pick number 7. Let me remove this. Seven. Change the color to black. This means that we do not have the natural ability to endure pain. The more you look at your pain, the more you die. Okay, so we save. We're almost done. So pick number 8. Oh, that's not sliding up. All right. Constant meditation on the troubles of your life will finally lead you to a point of depression. That's true. Constant meditation of the troubles of your life would finally lead you to a point of depression. So I have this as 8. Then we have the last one. Nine. At this point, you are numb and adverse to hope. Your spirit man is dead. You are your spirit. You are okay. Okay, let me do something here. You are your spirit. Alright. It should be 9. Okay. So we are done with this whole stuff now. So let's save this. And finally, we want to do something at the end of the back page of the carousel. The final page. I can take this down and take this down as well. And then bring this here. And then bring this here. But then I'll say it's right back. Okay. And then I'll do something like this. So I have this here in black. Let it be regular. So tummy regular. Align to the middle. So I'll copy it and I'll say save for later. So I want to put a picture here. Let me look for a picture now. Alright, so this is the picture I want to use.
Breaking news from the Health newspaper exposing the CIA's illegal black operations in the Middle East. They include sabotage of Iran's top secret nuclear reactor in Iran. The information was leaked by a Pentagon whistleblower and
so I'm adding stroke to the image. Alright, I can also increase the opacity, saturation. So I have my back page. Enjoy this, save for later. Follow on Instagram. As soon as Swabana, then swipe back. Okay, this works too. Alright, so let's save. So we can go to our gallery to check what we've done. Let's save as project. Save as project. This is Carousel. Two. Okay. Let me go back and save the first page. I think we save this first page. I didn't save the first page, so let me bring this back. For reference purposes. Okay. It should be very important that you have it saved. Okay. So let me have this saved as well. Carousel to front. Alright, so it's saved. Now let's go to gallery and see what we've done. Alright, so this is it. Everything you continue to meditate on grows. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the last page. So this is how you create a carousel design from the top down to the bottom. All right, I believe you enjoyed this video. If there's any issue, any confusion, you can chat me up, comment, or leave a message anyway. All right, so bye and see you in the next video session.